Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our light amethyst pave necklace. This necklace is super quick and easy and adds the perfect touch of sparkle to your outfit. To make this necklace, you're going to need 18 inches of the silver base metal 0.8mm beading chain, 2 of these silver base metal thin fold-over cord ends with rings, 1 12mm silver base metal lobster claw clasp, 2 of these 5mm silver 19 gauge open jump rings, this 8mm light amethyst Swarovski crystal pave bead, and a pair of chain nose pliers. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. So first, you're going to want to take your pave bead and your beading chain, and this bead is just going to slide right on the chain. So you just find the hole there and just string it right through. And now here you just want to add your fold over cord ends. So to do that, you're just going to need to fold over one side and then the other on top of it. So you just place it right in. So place one end of the beading chain right in that fold over cord end. You take your chain nose pliers, just want to hold it in place, and you squeeze. Starting on the right side, squeeze the middle, squeeze the top, and then squeeze the bottom. That's one side of that fold over. And now you just want to do that same thing to this side here. So we're just going to take our chain nose, fold it over. So it's just going to sit right on top of that first right side, and then top and the bottom. Just gently squeeze those down. Okay, and that's just super secure right inside that fold over cord end. And I just want to repeat that for the other side. So put that end of the beading chain right in there. Chain nose pliers, just right starting in the middle. Just want to squeeze, fold it down onto that beading chain, and do that top of the beading, or the top of that cord end, and then come to the bottom, squeeze again, and then just want to do this other side, right here, starting in the middle, fold it, squeeze it down so it's just right on top of the other side, squeeze the top, and then go and squeeze the bottom. And then both ends just nice and secure. And you have these rings on here, so we're just needing to add some jump rings to connect the clasp. Okay, so just open your jump ring. Right side, bring towards you, left side away from you. Open it up just like that. And then just attach one of your rings. Oops, even with this one. We'll go ahead and add the lobster clasp. Let's just add that to the jump ring. And close that up. Just bring those sides, those ends back together. Okay, so there's one end. Just again, bring the right side towards you, the chain of pliers, and then the left side away from you. Open it up. Attach jump ring to that ring. And this time you're just going to close that jump ring, bringing those ends together. There you have it, and then these ends just clasp together like that. Now you have a super cute Swarovski crystal necklace to wear day or night. It's especially perfect as a gift for anyone that has a birthday in February, since this is an amethyst is the birthstone for February. You can find all of the tools and materials to make this light amethyst pave necklace at fusionbeads.com.